The Kamov Ka-52 Alligator assault helicopter entered service with the Russian military in 2011. The Ka-52 has a ceiling of 18,000 feet and a top speed of 186 miles per hour. Its most impressive features include pilot ejection seats and side-by-side cockpit chairs. Its 6 wing-mounted hardpoints can hold more than 4,000 pounds of weapons, including rockets, missiles, or guns, and ammunition. The right side of the fuselage has a 30mm autocannon. Some variants include a forward-looking infrared FLIR camera positioned on the nose. The Ka-52 combat scout aircraft can destroy tanks and non-armored and armored vehicles. Recently, a video recorded from a Ka-52 chopper showed how it obliterated a tank of the UAF and became a rage on the internet. Additionally, the Ka-52 capable eliminates enemy helicopters and men in the tactical depth or front line. Russia's claims the Ka-52 can function effectively in contemporary combat zones. The Ka-52 primarily operates as an anti-armor attack helicopter operating in support of infantry units by deploying anti-tank guided missiles, ATGM.
That's your fault.